We've had a fairly mega response to this video, which is great. Really, really appreciate the interest. Love the sarcasm, love the humour. We are going to do it, I promise. Several people have said, will I be dead by the time it's done? Not me, the author of the post, will they be dead by the time it's done? I hope not, because we are planning on really pushing forward with this, which is the point of the video, the point of getting it out of here. We've also been absolutely swamped with private messaging and things like that. That's not that rare, that's not a one-off. They built loads of those. They didn't. This is a one-off. The cars you're referring to, which I did go over in the original video, are Avon Stevens Series 3 XJs, which are different to this. If you see any pictures in Avon Stevens, you'll notice that the fuel filler cap, for example, is up here. Plastic US spec bumpers, different shaped doors, different front wings. You know, they're differences. And as I went through in the video, this is a one-piece roof, which is all shaped for this car, whereas the Avon Stevens weren't. We have been contacted by a relative of someone that actually built the car. So he's busy hunting around upstairs in the attic to see what he can find in terms of old photographs and so on. But we have been contacted by people that were aware of this car, which is great. And we look forward to passing that on to the owner. The tailgate, again, no, it's not Renault, that was Avon Stevens. And if you look at any images, including the ones I put in the video of the Avon Stevens, the tailgate kind of just shuts the back of the car off. Whereas this isn't, it's part of the roof. It comes back a good 6 inches there into the roof. Whereas the Avon Stevens comes nice and tight across here and up. It's not Austin Maxi. It might be a bit of Austin Maxi, but it's not all Austin Maxi. We know that because we had a Maxi tailgate here. And there's far more curvature in the tailgate on a Maxi. And it's also, this glass area is bigger and squarer than on a Maxi. It could be that we've got XJ bottom, Maxi side pieces, because that is absolutely very Maxi. And yes, these are Maxi type hinges. So I think it's a bit of a Frankenstein. A few people have come back and said that looks pretty Triumph-like to us, which we're looking into as well. And yes, it is a mess. And yes, a lot of people think it's hideous, and a lot of people think it's really cool, and that's the beauty of YouTube. You're getting weird and wacky stuff like this shown to people, and you can make your own minds up. I can see Lou's just focusing in here on a lovely Series 1 dashboard, which you won't find in an Avon Stevens. It is a proper thing. It's not modified and butchered in that way. You know, this is a Series 1 bulkhead with the heater blows in the bulkhead, as opposed to in the cabin. So it is definitely a Series 1 XJ Daimler Sovereign, converted by Henleys, and we're not aware, there's no history anywhere of any other car other than this one. So thank you for the huge amount of feedback. I'm not going to respond to everyone saying exactly the same thing over and over, hence this little video. But the next time you see this car, there will be bits welded to it, bits cut out of it, and some fresh tin going into it. So thanks again for the feedback. It's been amazing, really appreciate it. We'll catch up with you next week. Well, catch up with you on Saturday, where we've got a Lotus Esprit, which everyone is asking about. So that is going to be this Saturday's video. Thank you very much. Subscribe, catch a video, and we'll see you soon.